My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
It seemed during lockdowns that the trend was larger pools for the family to enjoy staycations. Then the past couple of years, we've come away from that and have moved more to mid-size to small with more functional lounge space. What do you see trending in the industry now, and what is Latham Pools able to offer the market this year and into the future?
Pools are starting to be looked at as more than just a large entertainment venue. It's become more of an ambiance and design thing. So a lot of the smaller pools are getting a lot of traction. The trends that we're seeing out there are smaller pools with lots of seating, benches, tanning ledges. We're seeing a move towards maybe darker and lighter colors. Yeah. Again, it's become very important as far as a design aspect and an ambiance aspect.
Right.
And just a way of beautifying and making your backyard more hospitable. More so than just a place for everybody to swim.
I know that when I was small, in a pool, if you were swimming in the pool and there was a deep end, you were either jumping in or you were treading water. These days, with fiberglass and kind of the new school of thinking, is using that fiberglass pool as a full functional space. I know I work with a lot of hardscapers, and the pool, especially if it's mid-size to small size, becomes just kind of the spoke in the operation. And what I mean by that is people put pavilions in, putting greens, other things to accentuate the outdoor living. The outdoor living space, your backyard, it becomes your backyard dreams, but it's really also an extension of your living room or your den or your rec room. I've seen some beautiful outdoor scapes the past few years as people kind of come back out into the world, post COVID, and as they get out into the world more.
Yeah, absolutely. I think what this does offer is it brings that more resort style experience to your home. If you think about it, when you go on vacation and you're at the resort, people are just relaxing by the pool, in the pool, sitting there, having a drink, conversing.
Right.
And that's exactly what this offers. And like you said, it gives you, using a smaller pool gives you more room in your backyard to do the other things. And again, bring you that comprehensive resort luxury feel.
Right. It's kind of like a staycation destination in your backyard. So again, my name is Matt, and if you wanted to reach out to me, my cell phone is 603-453-2845. Or if you wanted to click on the link below and fill out the form on our brand new redesigned website page, that would work as well. Thank you very much.